Going to demonstrate how padding and margin works in SPINNR. If you take a look at this button that I've highlighted here, this second call to action, and this one called new button, you'll see that there's no space between the two of them. And I'd like there to be padding. Whereas on this button, there is space between the end of that and the end of that. In fact, when I highlight over it, you can see that space more evidently. So the first thing that I'm going to do is when I click on the link, come down here under item settings and you'll see that there is an option for spacing. So I'm just going to twizzle that open. First, I want to add some space to the right. Now I'm just going to demonstrate the difference between padding and margin. So if I select padding right, what's going to happen is the padding between the end of the word and the edge of the box, so that's kind of like inside the element, is going to increase. So I'm going to change that to 3XL, and you can see here that the box has gotten bigger. That's because I've added padding. So if you think about it, padding is like what's underneath your jacket as opposed to what's outside of it. So I'm going to return that back to the default, and instead what that means is what I want to choose is I want to add margin to the right. So over here on the margin right, I'm going to choose MD, which is like your medium padding, your medium spacing, and see here it just adds that spacing in there, so it's nice. The padding is inside the box and the margin is outside, and you can see that I've added that there. That's it.